everyone, welcome to Health and Beauty Station. So today I'm going to review tea tree range from The Body Shop, and I'm going to share some tips for blemish prone, acne prone skin. If you are someone with acne prone skin or you have blemishes on your skin, then tea tree range from The Body Shop is suitable for you. Tea tree range is enriched with community trait tea tree oil, and this tea tree oil is an essential oil that is derived from tea tree plants, and this oil has got antibacterial properties and that will purify your skin. So if you follow a skincare routine regularly and if you use right products that are suitable for acne prone and blemish skin, then your skin is going to be clear, clean and healthy. So tea tree range from The Body Shop has got many products that will take care of your skin. So first product from this range is tea tree skin clearing facial wash. So this facial wash is suitable for blemish skin, and this is enriched with purifying tea tree oil, and this is 250 ml bottle. It has got flip cap at the top, and this is quite travel friendly bottle. This facial wash is gel based facial wash. I'll show you the texture of this facial wash, and this is one of my favorite product from this range. So this is the consistency. You have to massage this gel on your face in circular upward direction. It really foams well. After massaging for about half a minute, wash it with clean water, and you will find your skin looks so clean, so clear and deeply cleansed. So this tea tree facial wash is very good cleanser, and I really loved it. I have been using this cleanser from past 5 years and it has never disappointed me. I mostly use this cleanser whenever I have pimples. Mostly I have pimples on my forehead, and I use this facial wash whenever I have pimples, and it really helps me to clean those pimples really fast. Also it helps to fade away the pimple spots on your face. So this facial wash is really good. I give it a big thumbs up, and if you are with oily or pimple prone skin, this is really gonna help you. The second product of this range is the tea tree skin mattifying toner. So this is the toner that mattifies your skin. So you have to use toner after using the cleanser. After using toner, you will find your face mattified and very clean. Toner removes all dirt and impurities that are left because of cleanser or your makeup. So it will clean your face very thoroughly, and it will also balance your pH level of the face. So the next product of this range is The Body Shop tea tree oil. So this tea tree oil is a glass bottle. The quantity is 10 ml, and it is suitable for blemish skin. So this is like a spot treatment. You have to put the drops of tea tree oil on the acne spots or wherever you have a blemishes, and leave it like that only, and after that apply your moisturizer. So this is spotting treatment, and this will gradually fade away the acne spots or the pimples on your skin. So I'll show you the texture of this oil. So this oil has got cap up at the top, and you have to press the cap to open it. This is the tea tree oil. So you have to massage this oil onto the face, or you have to massage this on the spots or blemishes. It will easily sink into your skin very fast, and it will cure the acne, and it will fade away the blemishes on regular use. So after cleansing, toning and spot treatment with tea tree oil, the next product is The Body Shop tea tree mattifying face lotion. This is a moisturizer in this range, and this is 50 ml tube, quite travel friendly. Packaging is very good. It is enriched with purifying tea tree oil and suitable for blemish skin. This hydrates and controls shine for clearer looking skin. This is moisturizer, and this is gel based moisturizer, and it easily gets absorbed into your skin. It has got nice refreshing tea tree fragrance, and it mattifies your skin, and it easily sink into your skin, and it will make your skin very shine free and at the same time very hydrated. So this is the skincare routine that you have to follow daily to get clearer looking skin, and it slowly fades away the acne spots. So next product of this range is the Body Shop 3-in-1 wash, scrub and mask. So this is 3-in-1 product. This is 125 ml tube and suitable for blemished skin. It is actually used once in a week or twice in a week if you are using it as a scrub or mask. So this is clay based mask, and it has got small particles in it that will scrub your face and remove all dirt, impurities and dead skin cells from your face. And if you have active pimple or active acne on your face, don't use the scrub on active acne. So there is one more product in Tea Tree range, that is Tea Tree Flawless BB Cream. I am in a shade 02 and this is 40 ml tube. You can easily carry in your handbag. I think this product has been discontinued, but if you get it, this is really good. It is also enriched with tea tree oil, and it is suitable for acne prone skin, so you can easily use it like a makeup product, and it gives very good glowing skin. I'll show you the texture of this product. So this is the product. This is the tinted one, and it gives natural glow on the face. It easily gets absorbed into the skin and gives very good glowing effect on the skin. So guys, this were the products from Tea Tree range. There is cleanser, toner, oil, scrub, mask and moisturizer. So if you follow the routine with Tea Tree products, I'm sure that's not gonna disappoint you, but you have to be regular. You have to use these products in a sequence that I have told you to get better results. I have been using these products from long now, and I've got very good skin after using these products. Whenever I have acne, I switch to these products and I really get clearer looking skin. I hope you like this video and you have got some tips for clearing the blemish prone skin. This was for today. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, like, subscribe and share. See you.